Good morning students, and this is the video of book reading. Okay, this is book reading video and we are going to read the book readings. Okay, the first lesson is organ system and here comes. Okay, now listen students, in this lesson we are going to learn about the different types of organs and we are going to identify the organs, then understand the functions of different organs. From first we can go through the book reading. Okay, organ systems. After complete learning objectives, after completing this lesson, students will be able to know about different organ systems of human body. The second one, identify different organs. The third one, understand the functions of different organs. Already I said, isn't it? We are going to learn the organ systems of human body and we are going to identify that one, and then we are going to know about their functions. Okay, and come to this introduction. We get energy for our daily activities from the food we eat. Yes, where do we get energy, ma? We get energy through foods, by eating the foods. How is the food converted into energy? Food எப்படி எனர்ஜியா கன்வெர்ட் ஆகுது? Yes. For example, we will take our daddy's bike. Okay, if we pour petrol in it, it will run. If petrol is went off, petrol thindichna, what will happen? The bike will stop. So likewise, while we take the food inside our body, it turns into energy and we will do works. If we doesn't eat anything, what will happen? நம்ம சாப்பிடலைன்னா என்னமா ஆகும்? We will feel very tired and we can't do any other works. And by converting the food into energy is called the digestion. Yes, come let's read. It is through the process called digestion. After we eat the food, waste products are removed from the body. Yes, after we finish eating, what will happen? What will happen, ma? Yes, the waste food will be removed. Waste products will be removed, and the process involved in this is called excretion. Yes, excretion. We need oxygen to survive. For living, what we have to do? We have to breathe, isn't it? And we need oxygen. Do you know what we will inhale and exhale? Yes, we will intake the oxygen and exhale the carbon dioxide. Yes, very good. Our body gets oxygen through the process called respiration. The breathing process, what is the name, ma? It is called as respiration. These processes are carried out by different organs in our body. இந்த ஆக்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே என்ன ஆகுது? டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பார்ட்ஸால் நம்மளோட டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஆர்கன்ஸால் இட் இஸ் ஒர்க்கிங் அவுட். ஓகே, ஸோ டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஆர்கன்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் த ஆர்கன் சிஸ்டம். ஆல்ரெடி ஐ டோல்ட், நோ, so many organs form to have a organ system. That's why it's said here. Okay, in this lesson we will study about different organ systems in our body and their functions. In this lesson we are going to learn about the different organs and their functions. Okay, now come to Roman letter 1, the digestive system. The food we eat consists of complex compounds like carbohydrates, proteins and fats. நம்மளோட சாப்பாட்டில் என்னென்னலாம் இருக்குது? What are all the carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Already in previous classes we studied about that one, isn't it? They have to be converted into simpler molecules like glucose, amino acids, fatty acids and glycerol respectively. இது எல்லாமே எப்படி இந்த complex compounds are converted into simpler molecules. Component compounds எப்படி மாறுது? It is converted into simpler molecules like glucose, amino acids, fatty acids and glycerol respectively. These simpler molecules are then assimilated either by blood or lymph in order to give us energy. In the simple molecules, this simple molecules தான் என்ன ஆகுது? Is assimilated into blood. நம்ம bloodல சத்தா மாறி it's running over our body. And this gives us energy. Okay. The process of conversion of complex food molecules into simpler molecules is called digestion. Yes. This process is called what, ma? The digestion. These complex food molecules are converted into simpler molecules. And this process is called digestion. The digestive system can be divided into two parts. The digestive system can divided into how many parts, ma? Two parts. What are they? The digestive tract and the digestive glands. What are they? The digestive tract and the digestive glands. Okay, children, have your pencil in your hand and we are going to underline the difficult words. Okay. Now, in introduction, line number 2, there is digestion. See the word digestion. Underline that word digestion. Okay. And then 4th line, excretion. Underline the word excretion. And then the 5th line, respiration. Respiration. Okay. Underline that word respiration. And then in that 6th line, different organs form the organ system. Underline that full sentence, ma. Different organs form the organ systems. Underline that full sentence. And next come to this digestive system. In that digestive system, line number 3. Line number 3. Simpler molecules. Simpler molecules. Underline that one. Then the last line, the digestive system can be divided into two. So underline the word digestive tract and then digestive glands. Okay, children? Okay. The next page will be in next video. Okay. Thank you, children.